garlic eggplant potato casserole or garlic eggplant potato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most unique of the aubergine recipes and one of the most different of the eggplant casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato casserole recipes. We're going to make garlic eggplant potato casserole. Around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Around 150 to 200 grams of green and purple eggplant or aubergine cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Salt. You can saute. Garlic mix. Put in the garlic paste. Salt the garlic paste. Now put in the ginger. salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Now put in half a spoon of chili powder, coriander powder, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt, put in the powder green peas, salt, pepper, potato pieces. Salt, already salt, and a little of water. Mix. Let this mixture cook in the casserole for 20 minutes and cook for the required amount of time. Open after cooking for the required time. Put in some curry leaves, mix and let it cook for 1 moment. Now the garlic, eggplant, potato casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, eggplant, potato casserole or garlic, eggplant, potato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant casserole and one of the most delicious of the eggplant bowl and one of the most easiest to make of the potato casserole and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the aubergine recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.